Unlocking the joy of Spirit Day. Embrace the celebration. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that sparkles with enthusiasm and community spirit, Spirit Day. Whether you're a student who has heard this term thrown around in school hallways or someone who's come across it in movies or on social media, understanding the nuances of this phrase is a delightful part of learning English. So, let's get ready to explore and learn together. Spirit Day refers to a special day organized by schools, companies, or organizations where participants show their unity, enthusiasm, and pride for the group they belong to. It's a day filled with activities, colors, and events aimed at boosting morale and creating a sense of belonging. Unity, pride, and morale are the keywords here, as Spirit Day is all about showcasing group identity and community spirit. The concept of Spirit Day can trace its roots back to educational institutions, particularly in the United States, where schools have long held days to bolster school pride and unity among students. The term spirit here captures the essence of enthusiasm and school pride. It's a tradition that encourages students to wear school colors and participate in activities that foster a strong, supportive community. On Spirit Day, you might see people wearing specific colors, logos, or outfits that represent their organization or cause. There are often games, competitions, and parades where individuals showcase their creativity and passion. It's a day for banners, cheers, and teamwork, a true display of community spirit. While Spirit Day started in schools, it's a concept that has expanded beyond education. Companies may have Spirit Days to build team cohesion, and various communities celebrate it to show solidarity for causes or social movements. For example, there's a broader Spirit Day observed globally to support LGBTQ+ youth and stand against bullying, where people wear purple to show their support. Spirit Day is a beautiful tradition that's all about coming together, showing pride, and lifting each other up. It's a day when the energy is high, smiles are wide, and hearts are full. We hope this video has brought a bit of that spirit to you, and maybe you'll participate in or even organize a Spirit Day of your own. Remember, it's all about community, pride, and joy. Until next time, keep learning and keep that spirit alive.